How to Remove a TikTok Account Warning 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Master. In today's quick video, I'll explain how to remove or fix a TikTok account warning and what you can do to keep your account safe. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the warning. First, TikTok shows an account warning if you've posted content that violates community guidelines. This means your account is at risk, and repeated violations can lead to a ban. Step 2. Find out why you got the warning. Go to your profile settings and privacy, account status, or check your inbox for any violation notifications. Here you'll see which video caused the warning and what rule it broke. Step 3. Remove or edit problem content. If you still have the video up, delete it to reduce the risk of further issues. If TikTok already removed it, you don't need to do anything for that specific video. Tasha's Step 4. Appeal. If it was a mistake. If you think TikTok made a mistake, you can appeal the warning. 1. Tap the notification about the warning. 2. Tap Submit an Appeal. 3. Follow the steps and explain why your content did not break any rules. Step 5. Follow community guidelines strictly. After getting a warning, be extra careful. Avoid posting videos with copyrighted music that isn't from TikTok's library. Don't share harmful, violent, or misleading content. Stick to TikTok's community rules. You can find them in Settings, Community Guidelines. Step 6. Be patient. Once you have a warning, it usually stays on your account temporarily. If you don't get any new violations for a while, TikTok may automatically remove the warning, but this can take weeks or even months. Step 7. Contact TikTok support if needed. If your warning doesn't go away or you keep getting flagged by mistake, report it. Go to Settings, Report a Problem, Account and Profile, Other, Still Have a Problem, and explain your issue to TikTok support. Outro. And that's how you fix or remove a TikTok account warning. Be careful with your content, follow the rules, and you'll stay in the clear. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and drop a comment if you need help with any other TikTok problems. Thanks for watching. Quick tip. One new violation can make the warning stick around longer, so be extra careful until it's cleared.